Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this device. You need to start by accessing Play Store. Then click on the search bar, type iOS launcher and download this free app from this developer. Following that, you need to open it. Then click on while using the app, tap on allow and choose home button. After that, click on iOS launcher, select always and tap on got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!